I have no idea what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna do with my short natural hair, but I'm gonna try and figure something out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It's okay. So now that I'm done detangling my hair, I'm going to go straight into styling it. I'm not sure what kind of hairstyle I'll be doing, but I'll just play it by ear. So okay, let's push it back. No, the hair is super soft. Okay, let's see. What kind of hairstyle do I want to do? Alright, let me start by separating the front from the back section. I want to separate it from the back, but I don't want it to be too far away. It's gonna make a little section. Gonna start from here. So I'm gonna take the rubber band and just wrap it around the hair. And again, I'm gonna take my mirror and check the back to make sure I have a neat line.
My head is in the cloud, she's loud. She says my tone has an attitude. She screams. I don't wanna spend eternity with someone that's not good for me. I got a lot of life ahead of me, so I'll do it on my own.
That's it for the back. Looks good. So I'm gonna take the comb and just lift the top of the hair. Just lift and shape it. I'm gonna form the shape. Make sure it's round, like a little ball. Okay. So move on to the next one. Alright, so for the front section, before going ahead to comb this one's right here, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do with the front. Where's the rat tape comb? So I'm thinking of bringing like going to do braids coming down this way.
Time can't be safe, it can only be spent. No matter how much you try to make sense, there's so
Okay, I'm done. Alright, so this session is coming this way, right? This session will come this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on this session. Now I'm gonna pass this across to this one right there, and I'm gonna twist this as well. Just doing a loose twist. It's not super tight. So come to this session and take this one, bring it to the other session, just over here, and take this one, open up the rubber band just carefully. Okay, twist it once and wrap it around it, just like that. Okay, and then for this twist I'm just gonna lose the top section. I wasn't recording. Just wrap it down right there, and for the last one, okay, just crisscross like that. So for this last one I'm gonna twist it because the hair is too thick. So also doing the same thing, I'm gonna do a loose twist. Okay, and I'm gonna add it to this one right here. So using another rubber band, so I think I'm gonna use the colored one, maybe blue. Okay, take the rubber band and I'm gonna wrap it around this section and come back and unravel the twist. Since we've already secured in the place, so we're going to unravel it. Alright, so take your comb and just, so using the comb, I'm going to first of all go ahead and comb it through to make sure it's tangle free. Okay, now that is done, I'm just going to lift and just make it fluffy. Okay, and then shape it, just make a round ball just right there, and making sure there is space between this one and the other one. Okay, right there, and then do the same thing on this section too, just a little bit, and then form the shape. There you go. Again, you want to make sure there's space in between. This to be on the top part, and I'm gonna go in with the colored one. Hey guys, so this is the finished result right here. So I hope you guys love this hairstyle. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Enjoy your weekend.